began. Yola, now say, yes, yeah, no, I did. Hey, Madame, so you do all my you. What do you have to jam now, Mania? You know, Daniel Danny, you teach and my is
When you go, Mama Clancy. I'm not the last one. I was in there. You got down there. When you know that, since you are when I say, from the postal area.
So, you put on a bonnet. What? Me ya chimney. Me me so I am Pantini. And one so the denser. But one month ago, I can't know ya want to meet the kind of ya lost. Yeah, some titty as I recall. Yeah, said, I'm another. Ya who is so wide and packed at the my end and not my own one. Neighbor, you beer. One more as anti-memory training for me. And one wouldn't be at him, Papa. I didn't want yet. I'm not a woman. Yes, let a group. Say, Papa, why are you buying one dear? Some yes, you're a talent. Not yes, what do you be? You are, but I want to. And what's my
I'm not a catching. You have to another year to say. Yes, and for yeah, I had to say. Almost myself, yeah, you're going to need a child now. The other night, so we're home. It was just before they put me here. You're not a just as serious. I don't know what to say. It's just right over my dear. There's no, yes, no, my lord, what they are saying is simply that they want to be your informant. And also, they will give you any secret, anything about the country. In return, they seek for your protection. Yes, my lord. What's a move on? Hey, madam.
What do you want to jam now, Mania? Nina Dangadani, Niti and my sir.
When you go, Mamma Classic. I'm not the last one. I was in there. And I down there. When you know, since you are when I say,
Dabi, ɛyɛ mi kofi kakra bi. Atwi bi ɔde bɛbɛ bia, mesi ano. Dabi.
My lord, the king from the postal area. Now, then I don't see Ozzy on my car.
Yeah, bra.
I say so. What's the time father?
I'm not a catchy.
What?
So, you put on a body. What? Me are chimney. Me so I am Fantini. And I also the denser. But one man, Ebu, a canano ya to me, the kind of ya lost. Yeah, some titty as I recall. Ye, I'm another. Yahoo, so I can pack at the Maya and another one problem. Never, yet you are beer. One more as anti-memory train you put in. And what would be at the papa? I didn't want yet. I'm not a woman. Yes, rather group. Say, Papa, why are you buying one dear? Some years you have had it. Not yes, what do you be? What I want to do. And I was
I'm not a catcher. You have to another years said. Yes, and for yeah, the I said, almost myself, yeah, you better be a child. The so we're home. The result before they put me here. They don't get us as soon as you know how to it. But just try over there. They flow. Yes, sir.
My lord, what they are saying is simply that they want to be your informant. And also, they will give you any secret, anything about the country. In return, they seek for your protection. Wonderful! Plasma, no, Plasma, wonderful. What's the name? Anyone? I'm not Austin, but I'm Master. They're my back. What's your mom? I came for permission to leave.
Please, I thank them for coming and get them some refreshments.
Yes, my lord. What's a move on?
Nachi, madam, no bad power.
Hey, madam. Back the car, walk.
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine.
Welcome to Gold Coast.
Thank you.
Have a seat. General, this whole territory is under our hegemony. But this portion, what has become an albatross around our neck. The Ashanti are claiming this territory. They are powerful people, warlike people. We have to stop them from claiming the Almina territory. See, in all my administration in West Africa, I have not seen people this radical, rebellious, and recalcitrant as these Ashantis. Strike them from one angle, and they assemble on another. We have to end the regime by any means necessary.
There must be a connection. That's true.
But I thought after so many years of humiliation, they would learn a lesson. I will break the resistance, whether they like it or not.
Governor, the history of these people is full of battle.
See, I received this letter from a man